All right, so oh boy, forgot to send this back. Oops, man, oh man, damn. Hope I don't get in trouble. Wonder what else I forgot to send back. Oh boy. So I decided I was done dealing with this stupid ender and all its problems. I just noticed this has holes in more than one spot. Um, that's cool. Anyway, I just I had taken the ender, and packed it back up really quick. Split decision. I've been wanting to return it anyway, because every time I print parts, they don't fit, and I just feel like whatever. So what I'm going to try now is see if there's a remote possibility of this printer fitting inside of there. And I don't know, but it might. But we will have a new printer on Sunday, hopefully. And it's going to be a surprise. So I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. You'll just have to wait and see what I ordered. Anyway, I'm trying to find my tape measure. There it is. Okay. So let's go over here and see what we got. I'm going to say this thing is going to be, okay, about 24 inches that way, and about 18 wide, and or 28 tall, somewhere around there. So let's see. I don't know. It looks close. Look at that. It is 24. I think it'll fit. It's actually almost 25. Let's find out. Alright. Plugged. So in order to do this, we will have to take this off. That's okay. Let's see here. That's weird. That wrench should fit, but it doesn't. Alright. I need to figure out what I do with my set of Allen wrenches. Well, those are the wrong ones. We need the ones that are metric, because Please don't use margin. Let's see here. This actually still got labels on it. Ain't that one? Yeah, I think I come to the conclusion this thing might be stripped out. This particular screw. Yeah, it is. But with this Allen wrench, it was possible to remove it. Alright. Now let's see if we can get this thing in here. Alright, we need to clear that. Boom. Look at that. It's in there. Okay. So all we need to do now figure out the rest of it. There's actually enough room in this thing to where I think if I really had to, I could turn this thing sideways. I'm having trouble getting this thing plugged in. There we go. Right. Get this thing all the way to the back. Okay. So it's possible that it'll tap the front a little bit, but more than likely it's not going to. So I don't know if you could fit a CR10 in here or not, but you can definitely fit this one in here. I don't think there's going to be any problem with it. This motor here just started making noise. The other printer, it does the same thing. This one never did, but and it usually just after a while it goes away. I guess because it's kind of cold in here, maybe. So we're gonna actually do a print with this here in a little bit. And I was surprised this fits in this enclosure. I'm like, wow, that's pretty cool. So there's definitely enough room on the sides. So yeah, this is pretty big for just using for just a regular little ender. I think the reason is because they expected you to have the spool up top. But we're not going to do that anyways because we're going to come through here on this here, feed our filament through there. So, pretty neat. Cool. So, go ahead and zip her up. I can smell the crap on the end of the thing in here. Anyway, we're gonna get a spool of something going and do some printing and see. I'm gonna let it sit in here for a while. I'm gonna go and grab a thermometer. It's below 60 degrees in here in the shop. I'm gonna put this in here. I don't want it too close to it. Really hard to read. So we'll go ahead and close it up. We'll come back later. See what kind of temperature we got.